Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare mango and vermicelli payasam. I'll be using ripe mangoes. I'm using Alphonso mangoes which is peeled and reserved, condensed milk, vermicelli, powdered cardamom, cashew nuts, raisins, pistachios, almonds, and saffron. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe posted. Now I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added a tablespoon of ghee and I'm starting to fry the vermicelli. So the vermicelli should turn light pink in color. Fry this on medium to low flame. All recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil, friends. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. Now the vermicelli has fried till it's light pink in color. It's almost starting to turn brown in color. At this point I'll add water. So we need to cook the vermicelli. Till it's soft. Place this on low to medium flame. In a small mixer jar, I'll be chopping the mangoes and adding it directly, and I'll grind this into a smooth puree. Now the mangoes have ground into a puree. I've reserved it. The vermicelli has also cooked. Now to the vermicelli, I'll be adding ground cardamom powder, saffron strands, and the condensed milk. We need to get this to a rapid boil. Once you add condensed milk, you have to stir it constantly. Otherwise it will start to burn. Now depending on the sweet content of the mango, you can adjust the sugar level. For me this condensed milk itself was enough sugar. But if your mango is slightly sour or bland, then you may have to add a quarter cup of sugar to this. Now once the condensed milk has nicely combined with the vermicelli and it starts to boil, at that point I'll add the mango puree. Now I'm combining the mango puree till it's nicely mixed. I've switched off the flame. The vermicelli has cooked. So all ingredients are combined. I'll remove from the flame. I'll show you how I serve it. Detailed recipe will be on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Now I've served this mango payasam in a bowl, topped it with mango pieces and the dry fruits along with a few strands of saffron. Serve this as chilled as possible. It tastes really good. It's an excellent dessert to prepare for festive season. Do give this recipe a try and post your comments if you enjoyed watching my video recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.